5 minutes away from my house. Just 5 minutes away from my house. It's just a walking distance. So when we get there, you're gonna see what's gonna happen. Got into the seaside. Yay! Let's look at that. We got into the seaside. So now we are looking for a perfect place to sit and lay our cloth. So this is where we are going to sit. This is where we are going to sit. So I'm coming to lay the cloth. Hey. Guys, I forgot to show you my outfit of the day. Yeah, this is my outfit. Isn't it cute? This is how I chose to tie my band today. Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to have so much fun here, yeah, guys. You know, every time I come to the beach, I'm not able to have fun, but just because that there are so many people. So today I chose to come to where there are no people. So yeah, I'm going to have fun with my brother. We are going to set up a picnic things for you guys to see. So these are our things we brought. There's not many. I brought my book as always. You guys know I like this book the most, so I brought that one. It has my bucket list. That's why I'm going to take the beach. I'll definitely take it because in my bucket list it has going to the beach. So yeah, I will take it today. We bought some water. Yeah, we might get thirsty, but this place is too sandy, so I don't think I can keep it here on the cloth. Another water. And yeah, when I went to Melcom today, these are the things I got. I got Mentos gum. I got Mr. Bite biscuits. Yeah. I got Lazy. I got this waffle biscuit as well. My basil drink. And I got this Tic Tac. My glasses, very important. These are my spectacles. Just look at this one. So we are about to dive into our picnic snacks. Yes, our snacks.
Walking on the beach, feeling the soft sand on my feet. The waves crashing gently, the sun shining bright, palm trees swaying, a gentle breeze caressing the skin. A serene paradise where worries fade into the night. Lying on a hammock under a clear blue sky. Cocktail in my hand as the day slowly passes by.
So guys, I'm going close to the sea. Yeah, I'm going close to the seaside. I'm not going to swim though. Me, I'm afraid of sea, so I've drowned once before, so I'm just going there to put my legs inside. But my brother has refused to come, so I'm going alone. We are almost there. Hey, I need to be careful. Just look at that. Just look. Woo! Yeah, I'm so scared. Guys, do you see that? I'm so scared. I can't even put my legs inside. It's so scary. Just look at that. Let's hope it comes to my leg. It's just, I can't even go close to it. I wanted to go closer to my legs. Gaffer, go! Go! Woo! Guys, I want to go inside the water, but I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Whenever the water is coming like this, I just run. I'll try my best.
the most
beautiful sea ever. The most beautiful sea ever. Clack it. Hey. We are done with the sea. Me, I'm not going back. I don't know if you go back. I'm not going back because I'm very scared. We are going back to our seat. Yes, maybe build a castle or something. I don't even know how to build a castle, but I'll try my best. Today I came to play. Like, forget about steez, forget about composure. I'm here to play. I'm here to have fun. Like, I've been in my comfort zone for too long. I need to get out of my comfort zone. So yeah, today I am here to have fun. We're back. We're back. Today I've come to the beach with my brother and I would take it. Yeah, this one is done. I've taken it. Finally, I've done something on my bucket list. He said he's going to the other side and come. It's been almost an hour or two and he still hasn't come, and the sun is even about to set. You can see it's getting darker here. Yeah, since he left he hasn't come back and I'm getting worried. So guys, picnic is over. I've been waiting for too long and my brother is not coming, so I'm just going to pack our things and go and look for him. Besides, I think I got wounded or something. I don't know if something pierced my leg. I'm feeling immense pain, so I need to walk to that side and go and look for him. I need to pack. It's getting late. It's almost 5 or 6. I don't even know the time. Yeah, packing everything. Just going to look for this boy. And he has even left his slippers here. He has left his slippers, so he was walking barefoot. This is why I get angry with him. This is why I get seriously angry with him. He annoys me so much. It's time to go home. It's already 5:15. It's getting late. I don't want it to be 6 o'clock while we are still here. But lucky enough for us, our house is just like 10 minutes or 15 minutes walk away from this place, so we are safe. We are going.